In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control Facebook notifications. Managing your notifications can significantly enhance your Facebook experience by ensuring that you only receive alerts that are meaningful to you. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll need to be on your Facebook homepage. This is the main page where you see your news feed and all the updates from your friends and pages you follow. Once you're there, you'll notice a little bell icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is your notification bell, and it's where you'll find all the alerts that Facebook sends you to keep you updated on interactions, messages, and other activities. Now, go ahead and click on that notification bell. Once you do, a drop-down list will appear showing your most recent notifications. But our goal here is to manage these notifications. So you'll want to look closely at this drop-down. You'll see three little dots somewhere near the top right corner of this section. Click on these dots, as they will lead you to the settings where you can customize your notification preferences. After clicking those three dots, a small menu will pop up. From this menu, you'll want to select Notification Settings. Clicking on this option will take you to a dedicated page where you can take control of the notifications you receive. Once you're on the Notification Settings page, you'll see a variety of options laid out for you. This is where you can really tailor your experience. You can choose to receive notifications for specific activities, like comments on your posts, tags, friend requests, or even updates from groups and pages you follow. You can also decide whether you want these notifications to come through as push notifications on your phone, emails, or even text messages. Take your time to explore these options and decide what's best for you. If there are certain things you find overwhelming or unnecessary, simply toggle them off. Conversely, if there are updates you never want to miss, make sure they're turned on. This way, you can ensure your notifications are useful and not just an added distraction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully managed your Facebook notifications. This will help you stay informed about the things you care about while minimizing distractions from unnecessary alerts. Remember, you can always return to these settings and adjust them as your preferences change. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you have a more streamlined and enjoyable experience on Facebook.